Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and kindly hit the like button if you like my videos. I'm back again with another exotic recipe, this time shahi tukda. Shahi tukda is a rich and festive dessert made with bread. Shahi tukda was a favorite of the Mughal emperors and was enjoyed with their festive iftar meals during the month of Ramadan. This recipe is made during the month of Ramadan in every house. This delicious dessert is high in calories, so it is usually eaten in a small portion. So let's make it. So we'll start by selecting a bread and cut it the way you like. Now after cutting it, smear ghee over the pan and over the bread and toast them on a pan or grill them until golden and crisp. This is done on a lower flame. We need a lot of patience to toast a bread. So here I smear ghee over the bread and toast it from other side too. We need to toast this bread until it turns crispy and golden brown. So this is the desired color we want. It's crisp enough. It's as hard as toast, bread toast. Now to make rabri, we need a 1 full cup of milk. We'll boil it. After boiling milk for 2 minutes, we'll add sugar into it. Add sugar as per your taste and boil for 3 to 4 minutes more after adding sugar. Then in a pyali, take a 1 spoon of corn flour. Now add a little water into it. You can also add milk. Mix well. Now our milk has reduced to half. Now in this we'll add our prepared corn flour mixture. Stir. Keep stirring. This is an amazing way to thicken the milk quickly. This is the easier way but will taste different from the authentic rabri. Our rabri is almost ready. So here we can see our rabri is ready. Now we'll set it aside. It's a pouring consistency. Here we will prepare our sugar syrup. So our sugar syrup is ready. We'll switch off the flame and now immerse these bread slices in the sugar syrup one after the other and place them in a serving plate. Repeat the same process. Here I go with the last one. I have now finished coating into a sugar syrup. Now I'll sprinkle some rose water onto it. Now pour the rabri over the bread slices. Now we'll garnish it with some raisins, almonds and cashews, and some pistachios. Our super easy and super tasty shahi tukda is ready to be served. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below.